In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall an app in Shopify. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace, troubleshooting, or simply no longer need a tool, removing an app from your store is straightforward. I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain what to expect on each screen, and share a few helpful notes so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store, and you'll need to be signed in with an account that has permission to manage apps. Once you're in, give the dashboard a moment to load so everything in the sidebar appears as expected. Next, head to Settings, which you'll find at the bottom left of the admin. When the Settings page opens, look for Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where Shopify lists all the apps connected to your store, along with any sales channels you've installed. Opening this area gives you a complete view of what's currently active. Now, find the app you want to disable in the list. The apps are grouped here so you can easily see their names and icons. Take a moment to verify you've selected the correct one, especially if you have a few apps with similar functions. If your list is long, give it a quick scan and double-check the app's icon to avoid removing the wrong tool. When you're ready, click Uninstall next to that app. Depending on your view, Uninstall might be tucked under a small three-dot menu beside the app name. Click that menu if you don't see the button right away, then choose Uninstall. This opens a confirmation prompt so you can review your decision before anything changes. Finally, confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Shopify may show a dialog that summarizes what will happen, and you might see a brief note about permissions or feedback. Go ahead and confirm, and the app will be removed from your admin. After a moment, the app should disappear from the list, and its features will no longer be active in your store. That's all it takes. To recap, log into your Shopify admin, go to Settings, open Apps and Sales Channels, locate the app you want to remove, click Uninstall, and confirm. If you ever change your mind, you can reinstall the app from the Shopify App Store and set it up again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher while you work.